Hey there. It's me, your boy, Reckon. Today, I'll let you guys in on a little secret and tell you how to improve your aim in almost all games considerably. Professional players don't want you to learn this trick. This trick can change your life upside down. Call now 1-800 My Aim Sucks PLS to wreck everyone and get an additional 2 years warranty. Limit stocks, blame your lag, hurry while stocks last. By the way, if you don't understand what I say, which is totally because you are dumb and not because this is a text-to-speech recording, turn on closed captions. I have included subtitles for the steps. Step 1 would be to make sure that you are using a mouse and not a trackpad to game. Now, open your computer or this PC. Next, click on Computer and open Settings to find Devices. Click on Devices and open Mouse Settings. Open Additional Mouse Settings. Click on Pointer Options. Turn off Enhance Pointer Precision Dot. And that's it, you're done. Let me tell you how this works. You may be a noob, but why sacrifice your self-depreciation just blaming your noob skills? Turns out, Windows will automatically make you a noob. What Windows does is change your aiming behavior automatically for better control in non-gaming applications, thus making your aiming in games inconsistent and worse. When you turn the option off, your muscle memory remembers what you did to get that sweet kill streak and repeat it. You may have to play a few games in order for this trick to work, but hey, it's worth it. So that's it for me in this video. Have a great day, and remember to subscribe. Also, do not forget me after you wreck Shroud. Thank you.